Hello, Determined Divas. This is Tracy Paplow, your leader, showing you here tonight how to quickly and easily link up your Pure Romance Flipbook, which you do have a personal version of it, in case you didn't know that, so that you can have a simple and easy to use URL to send to your customers, post on social media, make sure you use that URL in your events, send it to your hostesses. So that way, when anyone is out there as a customer of yours looking through the Flipbook, they're going to be directed and be right on your website and not someone else's. So let's take a look at how to do that. All right, so here's just the regular Flipbook that has no information up here anywhere. This is just generic, and it's flipbook.pureromance.com. So of course you can send that, but that's not what we want to do. So let's talk about how to get your personal Flipbook. Go ahead and log into your COO. And you're going to go to the Media Center. So under Marketing, we have Media Center, and I'm here right now. So we're going to scroll down and click to enter the Media Center. So in here, corporate has already created for us a version of the Flipbook. It's the full catalog right here under New Content. So Winter 2017 Catalog, just give that a click. It's going to open up. And before you do this, actually, let me go ahead and close this really quickly. You want to double check your profile. So I'm going to click on Tracy Paplow, Edit Profile, and I just want to make sure that I have this filled in with my email, my website, my phone, because that's actually going to print and show on the back page of the catalog electronically. And that's one way people will be able to link back to you. All right, so back to the catalog. So just click on this asset right here. And you're going to go ahead and say Get Started. So we're going to go ahead and give this a title, and I'm just going to call it my Flipbook for Winter of 2017 and continue here. So now that has designed this for me. I've got my title right there, and this has now generated the opportunity for me to do some things up top. See the link, see the Facebook, see these items. So we can go ahead and click on preview or customize. So certain things in the Media Center you can customize. Well, we just have the Flipbook here and we don't really need to do much with that. But let's go ahead and scroll down to the very last page. I'm scrolling down here, hopefully all the way. Here we go. Page 44, which should be the back of the catalog. And if I scroll to the bottom, you can see right here, there is my information along with my picture that I had set up in my profile earlier. So just check that real quick and make sure that's on there. All right, so now you're going to go ahead and do a quick little click here on Create Link. So as you create a link for this catalog, you can copy or share this link. So this link right here, and I'm going to highlight it, https, mediacenter.pureromance.com, blah, blah, blah. It's big, it's ugly, it's scary. We're going to change that, okay? So there are two ways to make this efficient for you. So I'm going to highlight that link. I'm just going to do a Control-C and go ahead and quickly copy that. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out because that's all I need to do. Now, there's two things you can do. One of them is to go into your domains, which I'm going to do real quickly here on GoDaddy, where I have a number of domains, as you can see. And I'm going to take my Tracy Pure Romance domain, which is the one I like to give people for shopping and viewing the catalog. So I'm going to create a new forward here to that domain. So for those that have domains that they own, this is going to sound very familiar. If not, hang on there for a minute. I'm going to show you another option. So I'm going to click on my Update Forwarding. I'm going to come over here. Instead of this just going straight to my website, which it was doing before, I'm going to instead do a Control-V and set this up. I'm going to double check it and just click all the way back here and check that it is going to go right to that Media Center designed Flipbook for me. I'm going to take out the HTTPS colons because it's already showing there. And I'm going to go ahead and click Edit to save it. And I'm going to save. Now that's going to take a few minutes, but my domain has forwarded. Here's another option for you if you don't have a domain that you want to use. You can go to tinyurl.com. See that right there at the top? This is a way to create a very short URL with a name that works for you. So I'm going to go ahead and click in this box right here and do another paste. There's that long name. And then down here, here's the alias. It is going to start with the HTTP. It will say tinyurl.com, but then right here, you can create something that is going to be unique and easy for people to remember. So what if I just said Tracy PR catalog? Super simple. Maybe you want to make it shorter or longer. That's totally up to you. And then I'm going to click Make Tiny URL. So now we have taken this big long URL here, and it has come into Tiny URL Tracy PR Catalog. So let's see what that looks like real quick. This is instant. We're going to click on Open in a new window. There is my catalog. So therefore, we have, and it may just take a minute, but we've got my name, Tracy at Mile High Passions. We've got my website, we've got my phone, and there's my Flipbook, so that we can actually go to a variety of pages. I can go to page 6 or 7, and there we are. So now anybody who comes here is shopping just with me. So if they like these flirt items and they want to go ahead and shop with me, they can actually click on the link right here, and it's going to go to my Pure Romance website. So now they have the opportunity to shop right here with me. The same thing is going to happen with my domain. Remember how I did the domain under GoDaddy, the TracyPureRomance.com, or we did the TracyPureRomance.com. So if I were to go ahead and open up a new tab at the top, type that in, and hit enter, let's see if that brings up the Flipbook for us just in the same manner. And look, there we go. All right, ladies, so that's how you do that in your media center. Super simple and easy. So every time we get a new Flipbook, I recommend that you go ahead and link this up. Now, I will always use TracyPureRomance.com. So I will just relink it each time. But what that means is as I have my graphics or the things all set for my materials and it just says TracyPureRomance.com, I never have to worry about changing it in all of those, whether it's a business card or any of those other materials that I have out there for everyone to view. All right, thanks for being here. And if you have any questions, let me know. Tracy Paplow with Pure Romance.